So I watched your delete. Second one.
Let's delete the second line. Yes, you clicked it twice. In version 1.1, which is actually inside my Wi-Fi chip here, which is here in Australia, and you see webcam switch on a LAN. So the blue wire is connected to C4, port C4, and I also have a light sensor on port C7. Okay, so please.
Now it's on.
Okay. Okay, so you can see that it's actually happening straight away on the web page. In India, I'm in Australia. Okay, very good. So what I want you to do now is we're going to actually create a web page. Have you ever created any web pages before? Using HTML. Matt from Australia went to Malaysia with the International Inventors Competition, and he invented this bio bin. So this is actually a small model, but actually it's a very big bin.
So what did you learn, Diya? Learned bundling. So what do you do with bundling? Perfect. Please. So how was it? What did you learn?
I learned many things of codings and how to make our own web page and how to use that alarms and that buzzer thing, everything, and sensors, eye sensor.
Feedback, please.
So nice, very good, very advanced. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Very good. We hope you can do some more. We think you can make it.
So next week we'll be adding this at the advanced level. So now that we started, so slowly we'll be adding this also to our curriculum. So we are trying to launch it. So we'll be launching training process. So kids will have this as well.
Sure.
So thank you, Diya, thank you, Preet. Thank you so much, Miro. Thanks for joining us.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Very
Thank you
good.
so much, sir.